my subscribers and viewers, my listeners, my friends and my family. Good morning. How are you doing? Or whatever time you are listening, how are you this morning? All right? God is good. Okay. This morning I'm going to show you now how I'm going to make some cornmeal porridge with coconut milk and some fried dumpling with cassava in it. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay? Just watch as I go. All right? And remember, please make a comment. Let me know what is happening. All right? If you ever tried this before. So watch as I go. All right? Can you see me? Okay. So over here, I have some cassava that was frozen. All right, so we have to frozen our cassava. So do you know cassava? Let me know if you know cassava. All right, this is my cassava. Okay, and this is my flour to make my cassava dumpling. So I'm going to boil the cassava, and then after I crush it and make the dumpling. Over here I have my baking powder and my salt to put in my flour dumplings. Okay, and as I say, I'm going to make cornmeal porridge. Cornmeal porridge. So this is my cornmeal, my cinnamon leaves, and I have a little cinnamon powder here, and of course my vanilla, my nutmeg, coconut milk. And over here I have my sugar. This is not sugar, the container, but I put my sugar in it. And this is my coffee mate milk. But you can put whatever milk you want to put in it. Alright? So I'm going to show you now what I'm going to do with my cassava. I have my pot. Over here I have my pot with my boiling water. So I'm going to put my cassava in it to boil. So after it boils, I'm going to crush it to make my dumpling. All right, so watch as I go, and then you can dip a little salt in it. So I'm going to put some salt here, just a little. If you don't want to put any salt in it, that's okay. Because we're going to put salt in the flour. All right, so watch as I go. So I'm going to put my spice in my pot, which is also ready. Pot. This is my pot for my porridge, for my caramel porridge. So I have my cinnamon, a little powder, and you put whatever spice. This is my nutmeg. You put whatever spice you want to put in it. Okay? So watch as I go. See my cassava? It's all cooked. Alright? So I'm going to crush them. That's my cassava. I'm going to crush it now with this. And you use whatever you want to crush your cassava. Alright? And thank you for watching my videos. And thank you for subscribing, and thank you for viewing. Alright? Just be good to yourself. I love you all. You can see? Do it like this. So flour. Salt, just a little tip, not much. And baking soda. see my cassava dumpling. All right, so I'm going to get my pot ready now. So my water is boiling for my cornmeal porridge. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit like for 10 minutes and then I fry it. All right, so my cornmeal is ready. So I'm going to put some water in it. Thank you for watching, my subscribers and viewers. And remember to make a comment. This is it. You can see it. All right, let me know if you are seeing me very well. Okay. All right. Also, this is my coconut milk. You can put both of them together, or you can put one before each other. All right. So I'm going to put my coconut milk, or you can grate a coconut and put in your cornmeal porridge. So this is my coconut milk ready. All right, so all of them is ready and my water is boiling up. So let me put some more water in it. Make sure my cornmeal is all mixed out. I'm going to put a little bit more cornmeal in. Okay. Do you drink cornmeal porridge? Please let me know. And if you don't have coconut milk, you can use just the cornmeal and use your regular milk. Alright, so watch as I proceed. So my pot is over there boiling. I changed my pot, it's too small. So watch. You can see. Do it like this. You have to keep stirring because it gets lumpy. Alright, you have to do like this. Keep turning. There's no lump. Just turn it fast. Make sure there's no lump in it. Almost ready, and this will take maybe like 25 minutes to cook. All right, so it's almost ready. These are my cassava dumplings. And as you go, you turn them because they can burn easily. Turn them as you go. Because of the cassava, they will burn easily. So you have to turn them as you go. Alright? So my cassava dumpling is there cooking. You see? That's it. open your dumpling often. Okay. My sugar. And I say these take like 20-25 minutes. Alright, not much sugar. So you can try this at home. Cornmeal porridge with coconut milk, or you use whatever milk you want, or your spice. Alright, you can see. Mix it out like this. No lump. You can see? No lump. No lump. Okay. Alright, so that one is finished, and this is my finished dumplings. Okay, I'm going to show it together. Cassava dumpling, fried cassava dumpling. Okay. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, this is my finished product, my cornmeal porridge with coconut milk or whatever milk you want to use in there, and my fried cassava dumpling. Alright, so you can watch it and try it at home. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for subscribing. Blessing every time.